All right, YouTube family, we're back. I told you guys we're going to be talking about 2026 stocks to invest in 2026. I'm excited about this. I've already given you guys the 3 ETFs. Again, I'm heavy in AI. We're focusing a lot on AI, artificial intelligence, just to make sure we're able to not only exceed, but we're able to just blow it out of the water compared to the S&P. So most of you all know we did about 16.39% in 2025 in the S&P, and our overall portfolio did right at about 30% on average. So we're doing very, very well. These are the stocks that we're going to be focusing on. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into it. Number one, the king, which is NVIDIA. NVIDIA Corporation, ticker symbol NVDA. So NVIDIA for the last 2 years, because I want to make sure y'all understand this, NVIDIA for the last 2 years has been on a tear. In 2024, their performance was 178.80% return. That's appreciation in the stock price. In 2025, they did 38.88%. Again, we're expecting NVIDIA to exceed and blow it out of the water compared to the S&P in 2026. The next one, number 2, right? We're gonna go with Broadcom. That's ticker symbol AVGO. Again, Broadcom blew it out of water in 2024 with 113.60% improvement in the stock price. And then again in 2025, it did 49.28%. Again, all of this compared to 16.39% in the S&P 500. So these stocks are doing very, very well. Again, these are AI stocks that we're expecting to have a very, very good year in 2026. So we're going to be increasing our position in these companies as well for 2026. All right, number 3, this is a non-AI, right? We're getting into the automotive industry. So we're looking at Carvana, ticker symbol CVNA. All right. 2024 performance, they did 316.12%. 2025, 107.52% return in its stock price. So again, blew it out of the water the last 2 years. We're expecting great things from Carvana. We're going to be increasing our position as well. Number 4, NuScale Power Corporation, ticker symbol SMR. So NuScale is focused on power generation, nuclear power generation when it comes to our AI. They blew it out of the water, 471.02% in 2024. And then in 2025, they actually retracted. So they did a negative 20.97%, but we're expecting NuScale to rebound. We still believe in it. And we're expecting to have a very, very strong year in 2026. All right, the next one, number 5, Meta Platforms. All right, we're talking about Facebook, ticker symbol META. 2024, 69.08%. 2025, 12.74%. So it underperformed the S&P 500 in 2025, but we're expecting Meta to have a breakout year. You guys know Meta is a very strong company, very strong cash flow, very strong cash reserves. So we're expecting Mark Zuckerberg and the Meta family to turn things around in 2026. So we got 2 of them left. Number 6 is Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir in 2024 did 356.15%. And then in 2025, they did 135.3% return. Again, blew it out of the water. Palantir is one of those that's, purely AI play, and we're really focused on it for the long term, just like we are with NVIDIA. So we're going to keep investing in Palantir. Most of what we're going to focus on with Palantir is buying it during those dips. I must say the valuation is a bit high, but again, Palantir continues to exceed our expectations every quarter with their financial performance. And so while it is relatively high in terms of valuation, the stock has continued to perform well. And again, we focus over here on performance and execution. not about valuation. So we're going to continue to buy this one, and we're going to mostly focus on it when we have dips. Anytime we have a dip from about 5% or more in the stock price, we're going to be scooping up some of that Palantir. All right, last but not least, number 7 on the list of stocks we're going to be focusing on in 2026 is IREN Limited, ticker symbol IREN. In 2024, they did 37.34%. 2025 blew it out of the water with 284.62%. This is a new addition to the portfolio, and so we're going to be slowly scaling up in this position, but we're expecting it to have another banger year. Now, those are our top 7 that we're going to be focused on. There are additional stocks we have in the portfolio. We're still evaluating their position, whether we're going to continue to build up and improve those positions by adding shares, or if we're going to cut some of those positions, or either ultimately dispose of some of those and sell some of those. So I'll keep you all posted on that.